Okay, in this home, I want to tell you about 3 really cool things that we designed into this plan that most people don't even notice the first time they walk through it. And then at the end of the video, I want to tell you about a way that you can save $100,000 off of your payments on this home. Stay tuned. The first thing in this home is that we have designed what we call the zombie apocalypse pantry in this home. This home has the hugest pantry. You have got to check this thing out. In case of the zombie apocalypse, you are going to have plenty of storage for all of that food while the zombies are still outside. The second really cool feature about this home is that we call this the safe haven floor plan. What I mean by that is, sometimes mom and dad just need a safe haven to get away from the kids. So we designed this plan with the master suite as the only bedroom on the first floor. That means all the living space for mom and dad is on the first floor, all your kind of hanging out areas, plus the master suite. And then upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a game room. So when you have friends over, you can send the kids and their friends upstairs and the adults can hang out downstairs. This home is the safe haven home. And the third thing that's so awesome about this home, we call this the master suite with the snooze button built into it. You're probably going, what are you talking about? What I mean is, do you ever have those mornings where maybe your significant other wants to sleep in a little bit and you've got to get up early? And because you want to live through the day, you want to make sure they can stay asleep. Well, the way we designed this master suite is that once you get up and you're ready to get your day started, you just come in through these doors, close the doors, and the light and the motion goes away for the other person. Then the best part about it is as you get ready in the morning, you can get your shower, you can get your shave, you can do your other stuff, and then you go through the master closet out into your utility room that enters into the garage, and on your way, you can drop off your laundry. What a cool idea to have a master suite with a snooze button built in. Okay, and the final thing I wanted to tell you about is the amazing incentive that we have going on right now at Shaw Homes. We are offering $40,000 incentive on this home. We're gonna buy down your interest rate so far that you're gonna have a payment like that of a home that is $100,000 below the price of this home. You heard me right. Your payment on this home would be like that of a home $100,000 less than this one. And then on top of that, we should still have some money left over to bring your price down a little bit extra, maybe in the $10,000 range. So if you are looking for a move-in ready home, there is no better offer. Contact us today and we'd love to get you into this home. Now check out some of the cool features in this neighborhood.